Number 67. Making the most out of the OG. It's important to know that while the official guide for GMAT is a great resource, it cannot be your only resource. It's neither a computer nor adaptive, which is why it cannot prepare you for a computer adaptive test. We can use it to practice whatever skills require refining though. The best way to go about this would be to analyze a mock test first. Decide which kind of questions you'd like to practice and which solution tools to try, and then look them up in the OG. When it comes to the provided explanations, well, we should take into consideration that while they tell us why the correct answer is correct, they don't tell us what the fastest way to solve it is. Did I already mention it's not the greatest resource?
ExamPal.